Hello, it's Helen here. Could you believe you can make this beautiful thin crepe with only three ingredients? Yes, you can. This simple but delicious crepe that can be made within minutes. You can enjoy your crepe with different fruits, nuts, and toppings. Use your creativity to come up with your own. You can even make your crepe with chicken or ham if you like. Here are strawberry cream crepe and Nutella banana crepe. Just get the ingredients that you have on your hand. Crack the egg in a large mixing bowl. Stir the egg aggressively with the whisk for 30 seconds. Pour in the flour. Stir the batter gently with the whisk. Mix these two well. Use a fork to pull off any batter inside of the whisk. Add the milk gradually for multiple times. By adding multiple times, you can make sure the batter absorbs the milk easier. Stir constantly while pouring the milk in. You want to do it slower and patiently. If you want to make a perfect crepes, sift the batter to eliminate any clumps. It's completely optional. Use the spatula to help with the removing clumps process. Put a drop of oil on the non-stick pan. Spread it with the kitchen towel. Pour around 1/3 cup of the batter when the pan is medium to high heat. Remember to adjust the volume based on the size of your pan. Tilt the pan with a circular motion, and it takes time to practice. Cook for 1 minute until the bottom is slightly brown. You will see a big bubbles appear. Loosen one side with spatula. Turn and cook another side. Rotate the pan with the circular motion. Check other side for slightly brown color. You will get around 18 to 20 crepes without the batter. It's super thin and the sun can shine through the crepe. Let's cut some fruit for your crepe. Slightly strawberry. Put it in the bowl. Put some maple syrup if the strawberries are too sour for you. Mix well with your spoon. Cut some banana if you like. Here is the secret menu for filling of the crepe. Put the cottage cheese into a bowl. Add the stevia to prevent water extraction of the cottage cheese. Put the cinnamon if you like. Add drops of vanilla if you have. Stir them well. Squeeze in the lemon. Stir them again. You can also use yogurt as your filling as well. Add in 2 spoons of filling. Here is the banana and Nutella for your crepes. You can also make strawberry crepes with nuts, strawberry, and whipping cream. Customize your own crepes with blueberry, jam, ham, or any food you would like to put in. Enjoy this yummy breakfast with your family. It will be definitely a good start of the day. It will warm up you in the morning and have the energy to do rest of the work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more food recipes.